Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 420D M Sport Coupe presented in black sapphire metallic. Alongside that very nice exterior colour, we've also added a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit to the car. Exterior of the vehicle is further enhanced by the very nice 19-inch BMW 704M alloys that we've just had freshly refurbished in the bicolour jet black. Sitting behind the alloys, the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this car it does mean we've got the full BMW M Sport Plus package. You'll see there it's a 2017 facelift model, sitting just below the front black kidney grills. In the lower front grille we've got the radar cruise control plate, and we'll talk more about that shortly. It's a very clean and tidy example. We've got down the side the BMW gloss black air breathers, our YNC Mperformance decals, alongside, again thanks to the M Sport Plus pack, the sun protection glazing. And as you can see there, all of the additions we've made go very nicely with not only the exterior colour but the very nice colour contrasting interior that we've got for the car. So the interior is the Oyster Dakota leather, which comes in the front with both the heated and electric lumbar options, as you can see there, and it is a very clean and tidy example. We've got the Harman Kardon surround sound. It's got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and we'll show you more of that shortly. In the back you do still get an Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, which once again that looks like it's never even been sat in. All in really great condition, works ever so nicely with that black darkened M Sport headlining. And we shall now move around towards the back of the car, again showing you those freshly refurbished alloy wheels. And again, a nice introduction on the facelift was the sharpened LED rear lights we added, both the gloss rear diffuser and rear spoiler. If you've not yet seen in the boot of a 4 Series Coupe, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with how large that area is. It can even be made even bigger thanks to the fact you do get split folding seats on the 4 Series. Moving around towards the other side of the car, again we can show you that this vehicle is not only very nicely presented but works ever so well with all of the additions we've made here. And of course those very eye-catching standout wheels really do finish the car off nicely. And we shall now move on inside just to run yourselves through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail, for which this car has plenty of, starting with a very big and very sought after one in the shape and form of the digital cockpit. So as you can see there, the moment we enter, that really does highlight a big interior feature. So at the moment it looks a fairly normal looking display. However, as soon as I pop the car into sport mode, we get a lovely red glow there, a big digital speedo as well. And it's the same should we go and choose to go into Eco Pro, we get once again a totally different display. And again we'll just pop the car back into comfort at the moment, and again we'll show you that further around. In terms of that radar cruise control, you do get a completely different button setup on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. So with radar cruise control, you set the distance you want to follow the car in front. You also set the speed. So for example, you set the speed at 65 miles an hour. You'll follow the car that is in front of you at the set distance that you want to. It speeds up, you speed up, but only to set, say, the 65 mile an hour speed that you set. It slows down, you will also slow down as well. So it is of course designed for not only convenience, it is always designed for safety as well. Moving over to the lovely professional wide navigation and media screen. We've also got real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. In terms of keeping you connected, we've got the regular Bluetooth telephone and audio, but this vehicle also comes equipped with Apple CarPlay, which again is a really sought after optional extra. Going over to the multimedia side of things, you get DAB, USB, music collection as well. Down here we find the dual climate control, which is of course also where you find the switches for the heated seats. And around here you'll see a little button which will activate the heated steering wheel. So after a very short amount of time, the multifunction M Sport steering wheel will then get nice and warm, keeping your hands warm. It's covered just over 45,000 miles, does come with full BMW service history, which again we can go through and take a quick look at. 12,000 miles till next service, and full BMW service history as well, which is always great peace of mind. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Please, however, if you do want further information, feel free to give us a call. I'll always leave all of the contact information into the description, along with a link to our website. And we'll hopefully see yourselves very soon to come and view this vehicle or one of our other fantastic examples. Thank you very much. Do of course take care. Goodbye.